Here's the full English translation of your text, rewritten smoothly and naturally for narration. You are losing testosterone every single day. And the worst part? You don't even notice it. Research shows that men's levels drop about 1% every year. And this single hormone shapes everything: muscle size, bone growth, sharp facial features, even the energy that drives you. Without testosterone, you'll end up looking something like this. In this video, I'll show you the everyday habits that are silently killing your testosterone, and the simple, science-backed solutions to boost it. Let's start. 1. Sedentary lifestyle. Most men today lie in bed, scroll endlessly, and play video games. Your body thinks you don't need strength or muscle. Less movement sends the signal that testosterone isn't required. In the past, people walked to work. Today, everyone drives or rides a bike. Less movement equals less testosterone. 2. Masturbation. Constant dopamine hits from porn and excessive masturbation keep your brain stuck in a low desire state. Your body stops pushing you to build muscle or chase real goals. Don't believe the myth that masturbation increases testosterone. Just look at people who spend their lives doing it, it's clear. Control this, and you control your energy. 3. Heat and temperature. For your testicles to produce testosterone, they must stay cooler than the rest of your body. That's why they're stored outside your body. Tight pants, hot showers, or sitting with a laptop on your lap generate heat and hurt production. So wear loose clothing at night, avoid long hot baths, and keep electronics off your lap. 4. Plastics. Many plastics contain chemicals like BPA, which act like estrogen inside your body. More estrogen means less testosterone. Store food and water in glass or steel containers. 5. Junk food. Sugar, seed oils, and processed carbs spike insulin and cause inflammation, which lowers testosterone. Extra body fat also converts testosterone into estrogen. You must eat a clean diet. I'll explain what that looks like in the next steps. Now comes the real part: how to boost testosterone. 1. Diet. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin D are the 3 pillars of testosterone. For zinc, eat eggs, red meat, and pumpkin seeds. For magnesium, eat nuts, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate, 90% cocoa. For vitamin D, the best source is sunlight. Get 15 to 20 minutes of morning sun. 2. Workout. Lifting weights is powerful, but don't stop there. Sprinting or short explosive exercises give an extra testosterone spike. Think hill sprints, jump squats, or interval running. But here's the key: sprinting is not the same as jogging. Look at joggers, most are fat or chubby. Sprinters, on the other hand, are lean and muscular. So run at full power for 30 seconds, rest for 2 minutes, and perform 3 sets. 3. Water quality. Stop drinking tap water. It carries chemicals and microplastics that disrupt your hormones and increase estrogen. More estrogen means less testosterone. Use a good water filter, or drink clean bottled mineral water. Store it in glass or metal bottles. 4. Stress. Stress raises cortisol, which steals resources from testosterone production. Go to the gym, take a walk, meditate, or practice breathing exercises. A solid workout alone can cut stress by up to 40%. 5. Live with purpose. If you have no goals, life feels empty. The future stresses you out. But when you wake up with a mission, a career, fitness, building something meaningful, your body responds with higher motivation and more testosterone. Here's a challenge: pick a high-income skill, learn it for the next 6 months, and watch how your life transforms. That's it. If you want more videos like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and check the link in the description.